Hey everyone, I'm Adrian Lewis with DR Horton Homes.
And I'm Nick Austin.
We're excited to announce that we have started construction of homes at the Groves at Bees Creek, a brand new DR Horton community in historic Ridgeland, South Carolina. An easy drive to beautiful beaches of Hilton Head, the military bases in Beaufort, and all the conveniences that Bluffton has to offer.
Now is your exclusive opportunity to get on the interest list. Be among the first to choose from the best lots, select your favorite one-story or two-story floor plan, and personalize your home with a choice of colors.
At DR Horton, we believe that homeownership is the key to your future. The first buyers will enjoy incredible deals, low rates, and incentives that you won't want to miss.
So what are you waiting for? Give us a call at 843-612-8737 or visit our website and come check out the Groves at Bees Creek and unlock the dream of homeownership.
Your future starts here. Let's build it together.